Sexual abuse litigation is a part of my law practice which I receive a lot of questions about. At its basic level, sexual abuse litigation involves getting compensation from an individual or entity who perpetrated the abuse. Our tort law system allows an individual who is traumatized to recover economic compensation for the impact the episode has had on their life. If there's such a thing as a silver lining to some of the sexual abuse cases that have made news headlines over the past several years, it may be that more people are coming forward. My office represents people who were mistreated in a sexual nature when they were a child. In most of these situations, they were abused by an adult who was in a position of power. The adult used their power to take advantage of her clients. When a person has suffered an abusive event as a child, it has an impact on every aspect of their life as an adult. The relationships they have or do not have, it impacts their entire outlook on life. When it comes to how these cases play out, the majority of these cases settle or get resolved prior to litigation or at some point prior to trial. What I try to convey during sexual abuse litigation is the impact that the abuse has had on my client. I stand by my clients during the duration of the case. Some clients report a sense of closure after these cases get resolved. They feel like they were able to regain a part of their life that was taken away from them. I find these people to be incredibly courageous. I admire what it takes to tackle your fears head on. In this sense, I feel like if my clients are able to do this, they deserve to be represented by a lawyer who is willing to do what it takes to get the best outcome for them. If you have questions about an episode of sexual abuse involving a church, synagogue, school, or youth group such as the Boy Scouts, I encourage you to talk with an attorney who is experienced with these cases. They can advise you of your rights and options for legal recovery.